Production of gluten. The gluten is golden in color, aromatic, and crispy. This time, let's take a look at how gluten is produced. Several large bags of high-gluten flour are placed into a flour sifter. It filters out larger particles. The sifter is directly connected to a mixer. The sifted flour is thoroughly mixed with water in the mixer, gradually forming an even dough. After resting for a while, the dough is soaked in clean water and gently kneaded by the mixer, allowing the starch to gradually separate from the dough. This process requires careful handling and repetition until the water becomes clear, washing away the starch and leaving behind plant-based proteins. At this point, the gluten can be removed from the mixer. The worker cuts the gluten into chunks and places them into an automatic gluten molding machine. After a period of kneading and shaping, the gluten is formed into long strips. The shaped gluten is then steamed and cooled in a cooking machine that spans 100 meters. Next, a portion of the gluten is skewered with bamboo sticks and scored with knife marks, making the popular grilled gluten. Then, the remaining gluten is cut into thick slices using a cutting machine. These slices are dropped into a hot oil vat and deep fried until golden and crispy. After cooling, they are placed into a drum for a second round of frying. Once the oil is drained and cooled, the crispy fried gluten is ready. Finally, it is packaged and sent to the market for sale.